Paneer Paratha. Hi, hello, welcome to Dosa Recipes. I am Kanchi Jaykumar. A lovely session of Paneer Parathas. These Paneer Parathas are really exclusive and extremely delicious. So it's going to be very simple. The method is going to be very easy also. Definitely do try this. Come on, let's look into how to do this Paneer Paratha. So for preparing this paratha, what we are going to do is use the whole wheat flour. I'm taking 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. Add some cumin seeds. Add salt. Mix it well. Now add 2 spoons of oil. To get this chapati dough in a very soft method, we have already posted a video. You can either click the information card or the description tab here and you will get that video. So you can also know that technique of making a nice and soft chapati dough. So here, as mentioned, just give it a press and make a soft dough. So here, can you see? It's not sticking to my hands. So the dough is ready. Now let it rest for 10 minutes. After that we will do the parathas. Now let's do the filling. So here I am using just one potato. It's been grated, it's been cooked and then grated, because this will hold the paneer together and then it will spread nicely into the parathas. Salt to taste. I'm just going to give it a churn in the mixer jar so that they don't get caught into our tongue or teeth, and while we are eating it will be very tasty and the taste will also be spread throughout the parathas and the paneer. So here we have the coriander, green chilies and ginger. Add paneer. This is around 250 grams of paneer. So depends on how much you would like to have for parathas. Here I have some lemon juice, around 2 spoons. Here depending on the taste, we can add some mint leaves if required, or you can add some garam masala powder so that there will be a entirely different flavor, and it solely depends upon the flavor you would like to take. So give it a thorough mix. Here we have the filling ready. Now let's start the chapatis. Dust it with flour. Just pull from the sides. Pinch it here, slightly press them, and now roll it out. While pressing it, need not press it very hard. So just roll the pin on top of it like this, so that they softly move around within and they spread evenly. So here you can see how it has come out. Now we'll put it in the tawa. Now heat the dosa tawa. Now note this point, only when the tawa is hot we'll have to put this. Now let's wait for 30 seconds or something. You'll see some smoke coming away. Turn it. Give it a slight press. Now add some oil or ghee. So here we go. It's been cooked both sides. So our paneer parathas are ready to be served. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the lovely, yummy paneer parathas. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Recipes is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Recipes. Thank you and bye-bye.